How's it going, guys? My name is Icepo, and welcome to a redstone creation. Oh, where did the villager get there? So, we're testing out some cool and self-edited redstone machines. So, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'm giving away fidget spinner. 2 fidget spinner for 2 lucky winners. Okay, you need to do is subscribe, leave a like, and give many comments as you can, but no passing on 25. So let's get on to it. Okay, first let's just check the rocket if it works. This is my first made. I don't know if it works, but let's try it out. It doesn't work. See, it doesn't work. It's just like that. Doesn't work. Epic fail. But it's a cool stuff to like try to watch it. Yeah, I know what to do. Oh, it's over here. Oh no. Let's just put as a display. It's not looking obvious. My words are big. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let's go first. Sorry guys, I failed it. My first job will fail. Just simple. What's that? Okay. It's just too simple. And I just failed it. Oh, wait, what did it is that good? Is that real? Yeah, that's good. Sorry, it's because of you. I'm gonna burn you in hell, you stupid little monster. I hope you rot in hell. Okay, that's your rotten hell. Okay. Oh no, get the fire out. Oh, so guys, this is the next diamond launcher. Now this is the work of art. Guys, you know why? Because it launches diamonds. I'm gonna make a tutorial in the next video, but first, want to see? Want to see diamonds? Well, let's work it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Nice done! Oh my god, see that? That's so many. I found it expensive. It's only 4. Don't disappoint. Yeah. Still going. So many. It's laggy. It's lagging. Oh, lagging. Oh no. What's happening? Let's just back away for a bit. It's laggy. It's okay now. Oh yeah, it's done. Okay, so let's collect this. Oh my god. Oh my god, so many loops. Ooh, no more lagging. Done. So that's it. All you need to do is just take off that, and it's just like that. Okay. gonna put the diamond later. But this is the greatest thing I have ever accomplished. A nasty rocket ship. So it really works just like that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my redstone video. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next video. Freeze out!